then we will move to the Porter model. So before, there is some like background for the Porter model, like behavioral impact. Okay, so how behavioral impact is like having impact on the organization over there. It says the IT flattens the organization. Flatten means the middle part of the organization is reduced over there. The employees we need in the middle part of the organization, that is no more long needed. So it flattens the organization. The hierarchy level is reduced from like three or four levels to only 2 levels or 3 levels over there. So decision making is pushed to the lower levels. So lower levels, they can easily do decision over there. Fewer managers are needed. So few managers are needed. So when few managers are needed, the decision is quicker. So IT enable faster decision making, right? So if you have many manager, the decision becomes harder. One say like do like this one, another say no, do like this one. But with the fewer manager, decision become quicker and easier, faster. Faster decision is more faster over there, and it increases the span of control as well. Okay, the control is more. So it is not like a more spread control. It means that it was thought like 5 or 10 years before that IT is going to replace the human power. What the human will do, they will lose the job. But now if I see over there, the IT has created many jobs as well, online jobs, people, even women sitting at home, and the freelancing over there, and even people can start businesses with a zero. Like for example, you can earn on the Facebook, you can earn on the social media, you can earn on the like TikTok. So there are a lot of like ways to they have produced new businesses over there. So sometimes there is a one proverb that when one door is closed for you, Allah opens the 100 doors for you. See, so this is like one of the proverb that so similarly, when IT comes, if it closes some jobs over there, but it creates a lot of opportunities and potentials in a different sectors. Now we have a big data over there. They have a lot of jobs over there. We have cyber security, lot of jobs created over there. We have like IoT, Internet of Things, smart homes, okay, smart devices over there. Lot of jobs created over there. Lot of research has been created over there. So it means that you look straight in the nose direction over there, then your answer is right. Yes, I agree with you. But if you look around, there are like millions and hundreds of jobs more created in the world over there. Before, there was like one options that was only market. If you look like for example, even 100 or 200 years ago, there used to be a small market. Okay, people used to go in that one and put the luggages over there, and the traders from other parts of the world, they come after like having like traveling 1 month, and then come and take things from it and then go. So compare that things like 200 or 300 years ago, like how many jobs were like little bit few, and it was like small market over there. But now if you look into the market, if you look into that China and other Japans and Korea, how they have produced a lot of jobs for it. Now you will see many rich students like you and in China over there, even at the age of 25, they are billionaires over there. If I give you example of Mark Zuckerberg, so he was just a student in a Harvard University, and he thought to connect the friends in a hostel, the hostel where they were living, and they just wanted to connect them. And from this idea, they make the Facebook. And Facebook is just not like a friendship platform, but it is a business platform. It is like social platform. People are earning money. They have web pages, the pages over there. So it means that it is not like a earning place for it. It's earning place for common people as well.